Ano ulit ko? Wait lang.
Digital at Itala Digital Production.
Wait lang po.
Shh.
Hi, I am Justin David Reynoso, 19, from Bicol University, Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, Bachelor of Public Administration, and I am playing Eugenio Tanglao or Yuko.
Hello, Gabriel Santos here, age 20, from College of Arts and Letters, Bicol University, enrolling in Bachelor of Performing Arts in Theater, and I am the role of Lindo.
Hi, my name is AJ Williams Burais. I'm 19 from Bicol University College of Arts and Letters, Bachelor of Performing Arts Theater. I'm playing the role of Iscario or Rio.
Hi everyone, my name is Adam William Añunuevo. I'm 22 years old and I hail from Bachelor of Arts in Journalism and from College of Arts and Letters, and I am portraying the role of Mang Kanor.
Hi, I am Elisha Rain Untalan, 19 years old from the College of Arts and Letters, Bachelor of Arts in Literature, playing the role of Balor.
Very delicious. Kasi papakainin nila ako.
Intrigued kasi I have been a fan of suspense and thriller genres, and to be a part of it, like playing a character itself, is already a newfound experience and also a very intriguing moment then.
That it was very interesting since recently I've been really inclined with Netflix movies that are thrillers as well. So I was very excited to see the plot line of the movie that I auditioned for.
So my character in this film is Rio, and meron siyang two personalities. Isa playful, tas isa parang dark. Kumbaga, parang gano'n. Ang mahirap sa character na to is yung pag-style sa akin sa buhok. Kasi may exceed daw. Dapat daw din ako nagpagupit. So yeah, sorry po, Direk.
Si Valor, she has obsessive tendencies, pero she's still a normal person pa naman in a way. So far, ang pinaka-challenge in portraying Valor is yun nga, her obsessive tendencies and her disoriented acts. So, magbabaliw-baliwan, ganon.
Okay, so my character is Eugenio Tanglao or Yugo, and what makes him unique is his characteristic na madali siya magulat. He gets frightened really quickly, and most often than not, very worried siya all the time. So that's something to look forward to. For me, the most challenging part of playing this role was to really go with the script since I find it hard to memorize. So that's something that I really worked on.
Lindo as a character dapat siya ang matigas, dapat siya ang shining armor, ang guide para sa main character. Ang mahirap po sa character ko, si Lindo, ay yung boses po kasi di ko alam kung paano ipatigas yung lalo. Pero wala ko choice patugas ko na yun
Unang-una sa pangalan pa lang is Mang Kanor. Alam naman natin yung meme sa social media na lumabas. Kaya syempre, familiar tayo dun. And syempre, unang reaction natin is mapapatawa tayo. So, dito, iba yung role ko ngayon. So, syempre, yung dilemma ni Mang Kanor is kailangan talaga mahanap si Rio at all costs. So, yung pagiging, niya yon, kumbaga yung dilemma na yun na nasa ulo niya, nasa isipan niya is, kung mahanap niya ba or hindi. Magsasucceed pa or hindi. Kasi unang-una talaga, like, lang talaga siya. Isa lang siyang matandang lalaki na papalapit na sa dapit hapon ng kanyang buhay. So far naman, sa pag-portray ko bilang isang matandang lalaki, wala naman sigurong masyadong wala naman siyang masyadong challenge sa akin. Pero yung challenge talaga na nag-face ako is before ako mag-shoot, kailangan ko muna dumaan ng makeup, syempre alam naman natin. And sabi ko nga na na given na matandang lalaki ang pinoportray ko and kailangan talagang maputi yung buhok ko. So, isang funny trivia lang is mauban talaga akong pero hindi talaga siya masyadong kita. So, required pa rin talaga na gumawa ng alternative ways para mapaputi yung buhok ko, like gagamit ng pulbo or anything na hairspray na makapagpabigay lang ng grayish hue sa aking buhok. So far, wala naman akong nakikitang problema eh. Kumbaga, we get to know each other naman, no? From production staff, co-actors, kumbaga, overall good atmosphere lang naman. Kasi, syempre, kumbaga, from iba't ibang iba't ibang locations kami in the Bicol University. So, kumbaga, nag-converge kami na parang walang plano, walang so nami-maintain pa rin namin yun and hopefully hanggat sa matapos tong production namin is makapag-maintain kami ng good relationship into each other and something siya na kumbaga parang milestone na pwedeng tumatak sa Bicol University and this coming film festival.
It was fun. Working with them is such a growing experience since as a literature student, second year ay nagkaroon ako ng glimpse sa mga process din on how to film and sa mga ganitong progress.
Okay, so working with the film unit was really fun. They were accommodating and I had an overall good time with them during the filming schedule.
Astig, alagaan ka nila, bibigyan ka nila ng pamasahe, tapos overall, ang gentle nila. Plus, papakainin nila ako.
Enjoy po siya. Marami na rin po akong nakakontribute dito sa production na ito. And yeah, more food. Thank you.
It is to be careful whenever may pupuntahan kayo. Always mag-ingat.
Okay, so what I think the audience could take away from this film is that as the cliche goes, do not judge a person by its cover. So that's something that we have to look forward to.
Masasarapan kasi kakain kayo.
Feeling ko yung lesson na makakuha nila dito is huwag mangutang kundi kaya magbayad.
Syempre, una sabi ko kanina na probinsyano tayo, 'di ba? So syempre yung mga natin, yung mga magulang natin and syempre some of us na kumbaga parang na-adapt nila yung pamahiin na na gawin mo to ganyan para mawala yung ganto, lalo na kapag dumating nga sa aspeto ng spiritual na kumbaga doon, may mapupulot pa rin tayong aral.
Hi Kalithala, I am Ellie.
This is AJ.
Po pala si Adam Manunueva.
Ako po si Gabriel Santos.
I'm David and abangan nyo ang
Talikod
soon at Lithala Digital Production.